Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is a very special and different. Today was my major mummy's birthday and we celebrated it beautifully. The most special part is that she had never celebrated her birthday before. So this was the first birthday celebration of her life. It became a very truly unforgettable and memorable day for us. We celebrated and surprised her with a beautiful unicorn cake from Miyamore. Then we enjoyed the cake cutting ceremony, lit the candles, sang happy birthday song. Sit back, relax, enjoy the video.
Happy birthday to you.
কি করলো ইস আমার দেখো